Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. How are you all? Hope you're all doing well. How are you all, guys? How your preparation going on? Everyone, how is your preparation going on? Right? Yeah. Good evening, Shruti. Good. Very good. So here we'll be continuing our discussions on which one? This all PYQs of this highway engineering, na? Yes or no? All PYQs of this highway engineering we are continuing. Part 8, right? 7 parts already discussed, and this is the 8th part we are going to discuss now. Na? Super elevation on horizontal curves, part 1 we'll discuss, right? So one more class will be there on this. In 2 classes, this super elevation topic will get over. Okay, all questions on this super elevation will get over, right? Now all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack. Everyone get ready to crack, all of you, right? Everyone get ready to crack. Naveen from YouTube, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon or good evening? Good evening, na? Okay, right. So this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use always, right? What is the referral code? RP Civil is the code you have to use, and you recommend the same code to your friends also. Now these are all the subjects I'll be taking at present, right? What is that information you have to share with your friends and everybody is at present this offer is going on, right? What is that offer going on? If you just observe all of you, this unbox 2023 offer is going on, right? So you can get up to which one? 57% along with 6 months extra subscriptions, right? 6 months extra subscription months on your subscription amount, right? 6 months extra subscription on your subscription amount, and 57% discount, right? You can get up to 57%, right? Don't miss this opportunity. 12 plus 6 months if you are taking 12 months, 6 months extra. 24 months if you are taking 6 months extra. And what is the referral code you have to use always? RP Civil is the code, referral code you have to use. Okay. Now this is Airport Authority of India Junior Executive also, right? This is a price available up to 48% discount you'll be getting. Don't miss this, everyone. And now new subject I'll be starting, right? So those who are willing to take subscription, right, from 16th December I will be starting which one? From 16th December I will be starting this new subject, right? Which subject I'll be starting, all of you? Structural analysis I'll be starting. Every day the classes will be at which one? This is 2 p.m. okay, the classes will be every day at which time? 2 p.m. the classes will be there, right? So RP Civil is the code you try to use, right? This is regarding the Airport Authority of India. This is a batch corresponding to Airport Authority of India, Junior Executive. So these are the features of which one? This SSC JE, State AE JE English subscription. Okay. Are you others also getting problem? Others also getting problem in your voice? Audio and video both are clear for everyone? आवाज सही आ रहा है कि नहीं सभी के लिए? Clear? Anybody from YouTube check it? Anybody from YouTube check it and tell me? I think for special class people it is correct only, clear only. Otherwise Abhishek, you just join the special class, that would be better. Okay, just join the special class, that would be better then. These are the features of this plus classes you are getting. Okay, these are all the SSC JE 2023 paper 1 toppers, right? These are SSC JE, State AE JE 2022 rankers, you can say. Now so here all PYQs of highway engineering part 8, right? That is horizontal curve na super elevation, horizontal curve and the super elevation, right? So shall we start a discussion? I'll start discussion of this one. So I'll start the poll. Try to select the answer of you. 45 seconds time I am giving. थोड़ा कम आवाज. अरे अरे यार आपका वॉल्यूम चेक कर लो अभिषेक, आपका वॉल्यूम चेक कर लो. वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करने का वो साइड बटन है ना, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करके चेक कर लो. For others, is that voice come, voice less you are getting? All clear? Abhishek, you just try to increase your sound or speaker sound or whatever it is, volume. Right, done everyone? Okay, only YouTube answered, right? Yeah, attractive status 5 million. Good evening. On a circular curve, the rate of this super elevation is E. While negotiating the curve, vehicle comes to a stop, right? On the super elevation one, right? What is that you can say? You remember this question and answer both? Very good. So, what happened? Vehicle is in the moving condition or vehicle is in the stopped condition? Tell me. Vehicle is in the stopped condition only, na? When vehicle is in the stopped condition, do you have any centrifugal force or no centrifugal force? Tell me. Vehicle is in the stopped condition means do you have any centrifugal force or no centrifugal force is possible? Tell me. No centrifugal force is possible, na? Zero centrifugal force, right? What is the only force acting on this? The weight will be acting in the vertically downward direction. This is a theta. The components of weight, one component like this, one component like this, right? This is a theta. So this is which one? This is W cos theta, na? And this is which one? This is W sin theta, na? Now tell me, who will cause sliding? Tell me. Who will be creating this sliding? Is there any centrifugal force creating that sliding, or which one is creating sliding? Tell me. Which one is creating sliding? If you just observe, this W sin theta will be creating the sliding. Yes or no? W sin theta will be the force which is causing sliding in the downward direction or not? Yes, which is creating sliding in the downward direction, you can say, right? Now, to resist that, what must be there? Yes, to resist that, what must be there? Friction must be applied in this opposite direction. So friction equal to coefficient of friction into what is the normal reaction? W cos theta will be the normal reaction. So now tell me, for safety, which one should be higher? Sliding force W sin theta should be higher, or the resisting force friction should be higher? Sliding force W sin theta should be higher, or friction force should be higher? Which one should be higher? Which one should be higher? Tell me. That frictional force F should be higher, na? Frictional force F should be higher than this W sin theta. So when you write it, what is the frictional force? F into that W cos theta is greater than which one? This is W sin theta. W cancel हो जाएगा ना? So F will be greater than which one? Tan theta. Tan theta क्या है? What is the tan theta? Super elevation है ना? Friction will be greater than this super elevation, or you can also write it as this super elevation lesser than friction, right? For safety, which one should be higher? Resisting force should be higher than the sliding force. W sin theta is causing sliding downward, friction will be resisting upward. Yeah, Shruti, tell me. Option B is the correct answer. Yeah, stopped vehicle is sliding inwards. Now observe that the stopped vehicle is sliding inwards the radial direction. If the coefficient of friction is F, which of the following is true? Right? Negotiating on the curve, vehicle comes to stop. Which of the following is true for safety? Right? Which of the following is true for safety? Okay. Yeah, yes, correct. Balay Babu of civil engineering. Yeah. Okay. For safety, what is the condition? Tell me. Yeah. For safety, what is the condition? This is for safety, na? Is that no? Yes, Shruti, I am coming to that only. For safety, which one is the condition? For safety, you should be lesser than F. And for not safe, for unsafe, what is the condition? For unsafe conditions, right, what is it possible? For unsafe condition, E should be greater than F, na? So for safety, E should be lesser than F, and for unsafe conditions, right, what is it you can say? E will be greater than F, right? If it become reverse, na, unsafe. So what is the question given? You observe? Yeah, vehicle comes to a stop. It was observed that the stopped vehicle is sliding inwards. Sliding inwards means it is safe or it is unsafe? Tell me. Sliding inwards means it is safe or it is unsafe? It is unsafe, na? Unsafe means which option is possible now? Option A is only possible, na? Yes, Shruti, correct, right? Good observation, right? Yes, give 1 mark. Okay, take 1 mark, everyone. You write 1 mark in your notes. Okay, you write 1 mark in your notes, all of you. Okay. Right. So shall I go for the next question, all of you? Shall we go for the next question? Right. Select the answer. 120 seconds time I am giving. Try to select the answer of you. Calculate the radius of a rotary curve for a vehicle speed, coefficient of friction. Consider super elevation is 0. Okay, consider super elevation is 0. Then you calculate. Yeah, attractive status, it is not E plus F, because there what is that super elevation is only there, friction is there, but friction is in the opposite direction. Okay, if a vehicle is in moving condition na, super elevation and friction both will be same side. If a vehicle is in stopped condition na, friction will be in the upward direction, a sliding will be in the downward direction. Okay, E and F will be in the opposite sides, it will come. Because on the stopped vehicle na, see, if you just observe no super elevation, you observe this ring, it is not moving. When super elevation is there, what is happening, this ring is directly moving na? So this super elevation itself is causing sliding in the downward direction. So friction must be against the super elevation, friction must resist the super elevation. So friction and super elevation will be opposite. Got it? 100% wrong answer. Yeah, Kavya will give party to everyone. Be ready, all of you. Time you want. Chodipalli answered correctly. What about the others? Yeah, WR Appin Ash. How to read that? How to read that? Okay. Yeah, correct. WR Appin Ash. Okay. No, it is not SSC Kavya. It is very old Kavya. Gate old student Kavya. Why? Which subscription you are having? SSC JE, State AE, JE, English subscription. No need to have subscription for this. No need to have subscription for this. Directly you can join. State AE, JE, English. SSC JE, State AE, JE, one goal is there. SSC JE, State AE, JE, English goal is there. English is also there. You just click on that goal, change the goal, and you can find the class going on live. Just text me, I'll send you the link. Otherwise, click on that. Just click on the link and you can join directly. Okay, send me message, I'll text you. Okay, I'll send you the link. Directly click on that and open with app, Unacademy Learner app. You download, and here it is not possible to share. I don't know how it is. Here link will be deleted. If I'll share na, that link will be deleted actually. That is what. Okay. So E plus F equal to, yeah, Chodipalli, Sophie got the same answer. E plus F equal to that small v square by which one, this is GR, or capital V square by which one, this 127R. Or you download Unacademy Learner app from the Play Store. You download Unacademy Learner app. In that you Unacademy Learner app you download and tell me. I'll tell you what to do. So do you provide any super elevation in case of a rotary? If you provide super elevation in case of a rotary, right, what will happen? The vehicles will be moving like this. Is it okay to provide any super elevation here? Don't provide any super elevation. Huh? Don't provide any super elevation, right? So what is that? Calculate the radius of this rotary curve, right? How can you get the radius of this rotary curve? If the speed capital V is 40 kmph, capital V is 40 kmph means what is the small v you can say? What is the small v you can say? It is 11.11 meter per second, na? Isn't it? So friction will be 0.45 equal to, I'll use the second formula. Capital V square is nothing but your 40 square divided by this 127 into rate. What is that R? R we have to find out now. So just R will be equal to 40 square divided by this 127 into that 0.45. Okay. So how much comes to be? 28 meters approximately it comes to be, right? Option D will be the correct answer, or not everyone? Option D will be the correct answer, right? Shall I go on to the next question? Shall I go on to the next question? You observe A, B, C, D carefully, right? Where is that A present and where is that B present? You observe carefully and select the answer, right? Here it is B present, here it is C present, right? A, D correct only, but B and C are placed in a reverse manner. You just check it and select the correct answer properly, okay? Chodupalli, Shruti, Sipun answered correctly. What about the others? I'm trying to send a link here. If it is deleted, I don't know. I'm just sending it. Just click on this. Forty seconds more time. Only 50% answered correctly. Link is not accepted here. I have shared. Could you find it? Link I have shared. I have sent the message, but I don't know. Only these three answered. What about the others? 42.86%. Arey yaar. Remaining, what happened? Right. So, what is the concept 251/96? Yes, correct. The absolute minimum radius for horizontal curve designed for a speed of 80 kmph. Right. What is the capital V given? Capital V is nothing but your 80 kmph. Na? Given the permissible values of the super elevation and friction are 0.04 and this. So, what is the permissible value of the super elevation? F equal to 0.16. And what is that super elevation equal to? Super elevation equal to 0.04, right? So now what is it? Tell me. E plus F equal to, right? Do you remember that E max plus F max equal to, that is your small v square by this small g or minimum, or you can also write it as which one? This is capital V. If you are writing capital V square by 127 into that R minimum now. So what is that R minimum? You can get it if you just observe capital V square by that 127 into that E max plus F max only, or not everyone? E max plus F max, right? So what is that capital V square? Capital V is 80 now. That is 80 divided by 80 square divided by which one? 127 into that. E maximum is how much? 0.04 plus F maximum is how much? 0.16, right? Is not? So how much it comes to be finally? What is the value? 252 meters approximately. 252 meters, 251 point something, right? Option B will be the correct answer, right? Got it now? Clear? So shall I move to the next question, everyone? Shall I move to the next question? Yes, I'll move on to the next question. At 45 seconds time only I'm giving. Try to select the answer for this fourth question, all of you. Fourth question, try to select the answer. Try free, you go to that, okay? Try free. Yeah, WR Apinash answered correctly. Yes, 100% answered from special class, right? Yeah, hurry, yaar, many people answered. Vishal Dubey, Chodipalli, Ashwin, Shruti, Naveen, Moda answered correctly. Moda, how to call? Right. Many people answered correctly. Yeah, now it is showing the leaderboard because more than 5 people answered, na? Right. So this is a leaderboard, you can say. Now what is that? The transverse inclination to the pavement surface is known as. So what are the transverse inclination? This is your camber, na? Sorry, this is your camber or this is super elevation, na? Okay. Camber or this is super elevation, na? Yes, but here which one is given? Super elevation is only available, right? Camber is also the transverse slope or not, everyone? Camber is also the transverse slope only, na? Camber is also the transverse slope only, right? Like that. Shall I move to the next question? Fifth question. Right, I'll be moving on to the fifth question. Right, try to. Shall I start the poll? Right. Select the answer. Right, 120 seconds time I'm giving. So all these all of you and select the correct answer. Directly selected. We only answered correctly. Yeah, you try to get next questions correct, Shruti, then you will be on top then again. Okay. So you did not remember. Okay, yeah, gap comes automatically forgot, na? We forget the concepts definitely. Continuously, if you practice, na, if you revise, na, then no problem. Okay, right. This is a leaderboard, you can say right now. So you can just enroll for this, right? Those who are willing to enroll for this new batch, na, summer the batch, which will be starting from which one? This is 16th December, na. I will be starting the subject. You can just enroll for this, right, by clicking on this link. You enroll for this, all of you. Click on this link, everyone, and enroll. Those who are having plus subscription or not having plus, just click on this and enroll. Click enroll. Done. Enrolling is done, all of you. Those who are in special class. Those who are in YouTube, yeah, you can find these things in the description. You can find this batch link in the description, you can say. Right, okay. Calculate the equilibrium super elevation required for this 7.5 meters, right? So, what is the width of this pavement? Capital B equal to 7.5 meter is the width of this pavement, na? On a curve of 240-meter radius, right? What is the radius of this curve given? If you just observe that the radius of this curve will be equal to the 240 meters, na? And what is the speed for a design speed of which one? This 80 kmph, right? 80 kilometers per hour. When pressure on the inner wheel and outer wheels will be equal, right? What is that equilibrium super elevation? Do you remember, everyone? Equilibrium super elevation is equal to that simply small v square by this gr, na? Those who attended the classes, right? Equilibrium super elevation, that is super elevation when pressure on the inner wheel is equal to that outer wheel, hands free condition, right? No need to steer the vehicle, right? Vehicle takes turn automatically, right? Do you remember all these things or not, everyone? Do you remember all these things or not? Is not? So now what is that given? If you just observe, r capital V square by which one? This 127 r. Which formula you wanted to use? Capital V formula or small v formula, everyone? Capital V formula or small v formula? Which one you want me to use? I will use that only. Capital V formula or small v formula for calculation? Which one you want? Hello? Somebody tell me. Just tell me anything. Capital V. Okay, capital V square is what? 80 square divided by this 127 into, right? What is that radius? You can say that is 240, na? So how much is that super elevation you are getting? Therefore, what is that rise of this outer edge you are getting? Rise of outer edge will be equal to which one? No. Plus subscription for which one you are having? I think you are having for SSC JE State AE JE you might be having, right? This is SSC JE State AE JE English wala. Okay? This is English, na? SSC JE State AE JE English. Okay? You are having subscription in that only? English or which one? This is 0.21. Everybody got the same answer. Then what is the rise of outer edge? Capital E will be equal to small e into B, na? See here, what is that? It is given in the centimeters, na? It is given in the centimeters means, right, what is that you can say? It is given in the centimeters means, right, what is that you can say? It is given in the centimeters means centimeters, centimeter, kilometer is given means, right, we have to consider which one? That a level difference only, no? It is not the slope they are asking, it is a level difference capital E they are asking, right? Actually, na, in case of railway, that level difference is taken as a super elevation. In case of highway, that slope is taken as a super elevation. But that fellow, what they have done is they have combined both concepts and they have given the railway question with highway data. Okay, got it now? Highway question with railway data they have given. Okay, right? So E 0.21 into, right, what is it? Capital B 7.5. Only reading the question properly is the only way. Okay, how many meters will be getting? Tell me that level difference. How many meters will be getting? Okay, mixed traffic condition and normal condition. If nothing here, what is that mentioned? Equilibrium super elevation is mentioned, na? When equilibrium super elevation is mentioned, E equal to V square by GR only. Okay, now by default nothing is mentioned, you use mixed traffic formula, or mixed traffic is also mentioned, you use mixed traffic formula. When mixed traffic is mentioned, use the mixed traffic formula. When nothing is mentioned also, simple design procedure is also given, you use the mixed traffic value. Because as per IRC, first we have to start the design by considering it as a mixed traffic only. Okay, so that is why by default you can use the mixed traffic condition if no other condition is mentioned. Okay, if no other condition is given. No, they have to mention, right? They will mention if F is given, na? If F is given, but they are asking super elevation required, then what is that we need to use? If they are mentioning super elevation required under full friction condition, they have mentioned, na, E plus F equal to V square by GR, that you have to use. Friction they are giving, but they are asking what is the super elevation required simply. Under full friction condition, they did not mention nothing. What is the design super elevation? Then E equal to 0.75 V whole square by GR. Got it now? Naveen, even though friction is mentioned, even though friction is given in the question, but they have just asked calculate the super elevation required. Calculate the super elevation required for mixed traffic condition. What is the design super elevation? Then you start with the mixed traffic only. Okay. Everywhere you have to use like that only. Yeah. Okay. Avinash, right? Very good. Ashtosh, right? Okay. Everywhere. Got it? Okay. Very good. Finally, right. Everywhere we have to use like that only, right? It is wording, right? Wording you have to read it properly, and based on that you have to use it. Okay. How many meters you are having? If you just observe 1.575 meters now, so that is equal to 157.5 centimeters or not? Yes, option A will be the correct answer, na? Option A will be the correct answer, right? Shall I go for the next question, all of you? Sixth question. So for this only, these options only you select, because all these questions also same only. I will be just actually this is which one? Railway question. Don't go for this. This is railway question actually. I thought it is highway question and I brought it here. This is railway question, right? Okay, right. This one you answer, right? This question you answer, all of you. This is it is missing actually. That is right. Select the answer properly, everyone. 45 seconds time I am giving. Right. Note this and tell me. Moda, Shruti, Kavya answered correctly. Okay, right. So here now only haircut is there, and there. Okay, they're looking like Chota Bacha, na? Here looking like Uncle, na? Moda, Shruti, Kavya, Chodipalli answered correctly. What about the other 66.67? Okay. Right. Because when more hair is there, na, I look like Chota Bacha. Less hair is there, look like uncle, grandpa also sometimes. Yes, na? Kavya first, Chodipalli second, and Shruti third. Right? What is it you can say? The equilibrium super elevation required to counteract the centrifugal force fully is given by equilibrium superelevation is only mentioned, na Naveen? When equilibrium superelevation is only mentioned, what is that we have to answer? This one we have to answer, right? Equilibrium superelevation is only mentioned, na? This one we have to answer, right? This one we have to answer, okay? Equilibrium superelevation is only mentioned, this one we have to answer. But second question answer is different actually. First question answer is A. This next question, what is that answer? Yeah, here it is mentioned now. Yeah, first one equilibrium superelevation mentioned. This is second one. This is second question now. What is the answer? V square by this 225R. This option C is correct for this, you can say. Okay, for this option C is correct. Okay, actually I have written all these now. Then yeah, okay, this is the one actually. Okay, yeah, Naveen here. So here Naveen, there are different situations, right? I am explaining now. You observe here V square by 127R is given, V square by 17.5R, V by 225R. That's it. V plus 8 by 127R. Then this kind of question is given. They did not mention anything. Then which one we have to select? Whatever the nearby answer available, that you have to select, right? What is the nearby answer available? Here A we have to select. Okay, A we have to select, right? Suppose if V square by 225 is given, if V square by 225 is given, then you have to select the V square by 225 is the correct one. Okay, if V square by 225 is not there, then only we have to select that V square by 127. Understood now? For this question exactly, if V square by 225 is not there, yeah, provided is always mixed or E maximum. Either it is with respect to mixed one or E maximum. Any one of these two only will come. Okay. Yes, now if that mixed traffic wala superelevation is lesser than or equal to E maximum, that only. Greater than E maximum, will restrict it to E maximum. Okay. Got it now? Shall I move to the next question? Seventh question. Select the answer of you. 45 seconds time I am giving. I'm from Hyderabad. Tamil Nadu. Yeah, all states are my states only, no? Yeah, just required. No, not like that, not like that. Naveen, required is mentioned, na? Calculated value need not be calculated value. Don't check with E maximum. Provided is mentioned, na? Calculated value check with E maximum. That will come. That difference only will come. Whether we have to check with E maximum or don't check with E maximum, that is depending upon the required or provided. Okay, it is not with respect to formula. Formula is based on the condition again, same. Okay. So Chodipalli, Kavya, Shruti, Naveen answered correctly. Yeah, this is a little bit. Okay, Kavya first, Chodipalli second, and Shruti third, right? Yeah, all states are my states only. Yeah, I'm Indian, na? Yes or no? Yeah, the super elevation. Yes, correct. The super elevation is directly proportional to the speed of the vehicle, inversely proportional to the speed of the vehicle, directly proportional to the width of the pavement, inversely proportional to the width of the pavement, right? What is it you can say? The super elevation E plus F equal to, what is it? Small v square by this GR, na? Or E equal to 0.75 small v whole square by this GR, na? Or capital V square by this 225 or it will come, na? Yes or no? This is capital V square by which one? 127 or Rajasthan. Okay, can you just speak, can you just tell me two names in the Jaipur? Right. So now E equal to, that is small v square by this GR, na? Or capital V square by this which one? This 127 R, na? Like that. So tell me everywhere what happens, you can say. So everywhere what happens, you can say super elevation is directly proportional to speed or directly proportional to the speed square only, na? So first option is only correct answer, or not everyone? Yes, first option is also correct answer, right? Yes, na? You are from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh में कौन सा वाला place? Right. So shall I move to the next question of you? Actually, this you select it as D. Okay. 1 second. This option you select it as D. This option you select it as B. Okay. That you select it as D. This you select it as B. Okay. Got it? Barely? Okay. Very good. Right. Shall I? I'll be starting the poll. Try to select the answer. Sir, if the design speed is given means v square by no. Everywhere it is design speed only, Naveen. Everywhere it is design speed only. Okay. Everywhere it is design speed only. Yeah. Yes. Attractive status 5 million. Correct answer from YouTube. Yeah, I have given the hint. You have to select the answer right correctly. Generally, I was taking actually regularly previously, but I have given some 1 week gap. 1 week gap I have given, and I am starting now. Regularly means alternative days, or once in 2 days, or once in 3 days. I'll take. Okay, continuously. Kavya first, Chodipalli second, Shruti third. The factor which influences the design of curve is which one? Permissible centrifugal ratio. Do you remember that? P by W is the centrifugal ratio. It should not be greater than this 0.25 now. It should not be greater than this 0.25 for which one? These are horizontal curves of this highway. Na? Horizontal curves of this highway. Na? Railway, what is it? It should not be greater than this 1 by 8 na? Point like that. Okay. Now, speed of the vehicle, yes, speed will be definitely influencing or not? Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, we'll come to that. Right. Today and tomorrow we'll be having many questions. Now is a clear, Naveen? In these questions, equilibrium is mentioned. Naveen, in this fifth question, equilibrium, calculate the equilibrium superelevation is mentioned. So, what is the formula for equilibrium superelevation? What is the formula for equilibrium superelevation? V square by GR. This is clear, na? All your doubts will come in this class or in the next class also. Right? 2 classes we are going to discuss this chapter, na? So, either in this class or next class, these questions will come. Don't worry, you will understand at that time. Okay, I'll be explaining at that time. Now, so this P by W limiting value is important. Speed. Without speed, do you design anything? Without speed, do you design anything? Speed is the main important. Maximum permissible superelevation. Just calculating the superelevation is only important, or checking whether it is satisfying the limits are not also important. Maximum permissible limit of superelevation, E maximum to avoid toppling or turning of this slow moving vehicles. Now, do you remember that, everyone? Right? So then what we need to do? We have to check the super elevation calculated with E maximum also, na? Yes, absolutely. Right? Super elevation calculated with E maximum also, we have to check it definitely. Now this question. So, right, shall I go for? Note this in, sorry, select the answer. Weekly at least 2-3 classes I'll be taking mostly, okay? If I'll take half an hour and 45 minutes classes, na, I'll take more number of classes, and if I'll take 1 hour, na, less number of classes I'll take. Poll again, why? No repetition. Shruti, Chodipalli, Astosh, Moda answered correctly. Attractive status 5 million also answered correctly. Right. So what is that? Chodipalli first, Shruti second, and Kavya third. Right. Now, super elevation is provided on a curve yet. What is that super elevation provided on a curve? You just observe this is a curve. Vehicle is moving with velocity v, subjected to this centrifugal force P. This left side is outer edge, this right side is inner edge. Na? Then what happens? That super elevation or rising is provided on which side? Tell me. Outer edge side it is provided, or inner edge side it is provided? Outer edge side only it is provided. Na? Outer edge side, that super elevation or this rise or sloping is done, or inner edge side it is done? Tell me, everyone. Which side it is done? On outer edge side only it is done or not? On outer edge side only it is done. So which one is the correct answer? Outer edge is the correct answer, right? So shall we move to the next question? Right. Shall we? Right. So this is actually KPTCL question. Okay, it was missing. Which one? But in case of flatter curve, Have camber on both sides. Yes. Flatter curve, what happens? You can say very flat curve, na? Very flatter curve means the radius is very larger. Radius is very larger. If the radius is beyond that larger, very larger value, then sometimes you need not provide super elevation. Only camber you can provide. That is by default which one? Center. Towards the center, correct? Yes. But here curve is mentioned means normal curve only you consider. No special conditions. Okay. Normal curve with super elevation is towards the outer edge only. Na? That is what. 10th question successfully. I have uploaded actually 25 questions, but okay, we'll see how many questions we can complete within 1 hour time. Very flat curve. That is possible, okay? Shruti, Ashutosh answered correctly. Why screen is not visible? It is blur or what is that problem? Attractive status 5 million. Very good name, attractive status 5 million. Ghost is there. Which ghost? Lena ghost is there. Very good. Is it blur visible? When it is blur visible, you just click on the screen. There at the top right corner, settings symbol will be there. That gear wala symbol. Click on the quality. Then you go for advanced. Then in that you select which one? 360 pixel, 480 pixel, 720. At least 360 if you select now, then screen will be visible correctly, right? Try to do that. Yeah, there was a ghost actually. Yeah, that ghost name is Lena. The ruling minimum radius of this horizontal curve of national highway in a plain terrain for a ruling speed of 100 kmph with E equal to 0.07 and F equal to 0.15, right? What is the radius you can say? Minimum radius you can get it as which one? Capital V square by this 127 into that E plus F na or E max plus F max na? Capital V is what? What is the capital V? 100 square divided by this is capital V only, no? 100 square divided by this 127 into what is the E? 0.07 plus what is the E of you can say? 0.15, right? How much it will come? 357.91, right? Approximately you can select it as 360 meters, right? Which one is nearby? 360 meters is the nearby answer or not? Yes, 360 meters is the nearby answer you are having, you can say, right? Shall I go on to the next question? Yes, correct. Attractive status also correct. Shall I go for the next question? Right. I'll go for the next question, right? Shall we? Select the answer. 120 seconds time I am giving. Okay, I'll check that question, Navi, once it is done. You select 360 for at least 360 you select. 480 if you select, it is well and good. 720 don't select, more data it will consume. 480 you select, it is ideal. But 360 is also okay, good. As those answered correctly. .480 pixel you try. Okay. Okay, yes, attractive status 5 million. Correctly answered. Astosh answered correctly. Only Astosh. What about the others from special class? Shruti also answered correctly. Naveen also answered correctly. 10 seconds more time. Shruti is brilliant in everywhere, not only in highway. She is brilliant, power brilliant. Right. Shruti first, Chodipalli second, and Kavya third. Right? These are the toppers still now. A district road with a bituminous pavement has a horizontal curve of 1000-meter radius. Right? What is that radius? You can see radius is equal to 1000 meters. And a design speed of 75 kmph. Right? Yeah. What is it? Capital V. Capital V is equal to that 75 kmph. Yeah. Then the super elevation is. Yeah, Naveen, your question came. Here nothing is mentioned, na? Anything is mentioned, whether it is equilibrium super elevation or it is a mixed traffic condition or nothing is mentioned, na? Nothing is mentioned, na? When nothing is mentioned, right, what we need to do? By default, you have to go for the mixed traffic condition only. If nothing is mentioned, no specific condition is mentioned, na? You have to go for the mixed traffic condition only. Okay? So that is capital V square by which one? This is a 225R. So you know how she will keep her brain active daily. So after during night, na, she will just remove her which one skull, and from that brain she will remove and she will keep it in fridge so that it will not be strained during night time, and every early morning, na, she will wake up and she will take it and keep it inside the skull again, like that. Okay, so she will be keeping her brain active. That's what. So what is the capital V square? Yeah. What is the capital V square? 75 square, na? 75 square divided by this 225 into rate. What is that radius? Tell me. 1000 meters. Right? Tell me what is the super elevation comes to be? What is the T value? How much it is a value? Okay. You wanted to eat that brain? Don't eat. Okay. Yeah. E value, how much it comes to be? One by 40 directly? Okay. So 1 by 40 rate, which option is correct? Option E is correct, na? So actually, what is it? It comes to be 0.025, na? 0.025 is nothing but how much percentage? Multiply with 100, that will become percentage, na? 2.5 percentage, right? 2.5 percentage is nothing but your, yeah, 1 in 40, absolutely. Now, shall we go for this next question, all of you? Right. 120 seconds time I'm giving again. Use this, yes. Required also this one only same as it is, right? Required also this one only. Then the super elevation is, super elevation required, super elevation needed, everything. No condition mentioned, na? See, okay, Naveen, I'll tell you after this question what to do. I'll tell you after this question, okay? Just to try to solve this question and select the option. I'll tell you that part. $60 seconds more time. Kitten, yeah, kitten. There are some. What is a kitten? Tell me. Whenever it is mentioned as kitten, when you call it as, what is called as kitten? Only Naveen answered correctly in the special. Yeah, YouTube attractive status answered correctly. Time you want? Okay, I'm increasing the timer. Shall I take tomorrow also? Tomorrow also shall I take the class same time? Super elevation will be over tomorrow mostly if I'll take. Okay, tomorrow I'll take super elevation. Tomorrow also I'll take at the same time, 8:30 p.m. Okay. Only Naveen answered. Arey yaar, what about the others? Why many people not answered? प्लस में पूछ रहे हैं कि और स्पेशल में? Polity already faculty came na, plus classes that faculty is doing the polity classes, so I have stopped. Yeah, I'll write that condition, whatever that na, I'll write that condition, don't worry. YouTube पे ओके रेलवे प्लस कोर्स होने के समय ये PYQ सॉल्विंग सेशंस रहेगा, ओके, because whenever any plus course is going on na, corresponding to that I'll be taking the special classes, okay, like that, special classes, YouTube streaming, both at a time, because highway is running now na, so I'm taking this highway PYQs. Once highway PYQs are over na, I'll take which one, this structural analysis I'll be starting. So structural analysis PYQs I'll be doing in this free classes, okay, for the state exams, SSC JE, all these exams. Difference in elevation between the inner edge and this outer edge of the carriageway of 7.0 meter width. What is that width equal to which one? This is 7 meter na? Okay, what sir said? Okay, horizontal curve with a highway 0.2 meters, right? What is the super elevation, right? What is the level difference? The level difference capital E will be equal to 0.42 meters. Now what is that you can get? Super elevation will be equal to capital E level difference by this width only na. Yes or no? Do you remember that? This is your capital E level difference, this is your width of the pavement capital B, this is theta. That super elevation small e equal to that tan theta only, no? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by this adjacent side na, capital E by this capital B, right? What is the value, tell me? Okay. In the leaderboard I cannot add, right? In the leaderboard it cannot be added, right? Okay. Yeah, Shruti also, you have to imagine yourself and you assume what is the rank, okay? 0.42 divided by which one, this 7. How much it comes to be? This is also meters only, no? What is that? 7 6s. So 0.06 na. 0.06 is nothing but 6% only, or not 6%, right? Which one is the correct answer? Option A will be the correct answer, right? Got it? Okay. I said I'll be writing those, na? Yeah, tell me, Shruti. 0.06 means how much percentage? 0.06 is decimal value, na? Its percentage value is what? 6%, na? Listen, got it? Okay, now, okay, Naveen, I'm coming to this. Okay, I'll just try to bring this question here. Okay, same question, na? Already we have solved the same question, right? Let us stick with a same question we have solved already. Yeah, we have solved already same question. Okay. Now, super elevation is, right? Yeah, super elevation is given. Super elevation needed. Super elevation required. Okay. When all these are mentioned, E equal to 0.75 small v whole square by gr. Now understood? Super elevation for mixed traffic. When all these are mentioned, right? Design super elevation. When all these are mentioned, na, design super elevation is, when all these are mentioned, na, you have to use this one, okay? You have to use this one. Then super elevation provided. I'll tell you. Yeah, who is having confusion? What is your confusion? Tell me. Somebody is sending confusion emoji. What is your confusion? Don't say that confusion emoji if you're not having any confusion. What is your confusion? Tell me. Super elevation required. Okay, just simply now suppose equilibrium super elevation required. Okay, equilibrium super elevation is same. Simply super elevation is mentioned, use this formula, mixed traffic formula. Equilibrium super elevation is mentioned. Instead of super elevation is, they have mentioned equilibrium super elevation is. Now equilibrium super elevation needed, equilibrium super elevation required. Understood now? And that's it. When all these three are mentioned, now what is that we have to go for? E equal to V square by this GR. Got it now? Understood? Understood? So now super elevation provided or super elevation provided, then what we need to do? Check these above values, right? Equilibrium super elevation provided or super elevation provided means check values calculated, check values of super elevation calculated with what? E maximum. So now understood, provided is mentioned na, then you check with E maximum, these values you check with E maximum. Required is mentioned na, equilibrium super elevation needed or required is mentioned na, equilibrium super elevation needed or required, or simple super elevation needed or required is mentioned. Super elevation required or needed is mentioned, you calculate from this and don't check, right? Don't check with E maximum, and don't check with E maximum. And here this also, and don't check. Right? You should not check it with E maximum here, right? Yes, now you should not check it with E maximum, right? Whenever super elevation provided is mentioned now, then only you have to check it, right? See, equilibrium super elevation needed. What is that equilibrium super elevation needed? When to check means when super elevation provided or equilibrium super elevation provided, super elevation provided or super elevation provided is mentioned na, this value you check it with E maximum. Equilibrium super elevation provided is mentioned na, this value you check it with E maximum. Got it? Is na? Got it? Understood? Shruti, others also. Now super elevation with presence of friction. Super elevation with presence of friction, or super elevation if full friction is developed, like that they will mention. Super elevation if full friction is developed, or super elevation without neglecting friction. Whenever super elevation without neglecting friction, right? Under this condition set, what is the equation we have to use? E plus F equal to that V square by GR, or capital V square by 127, or anything is okay. Now understood? When to go for which formula? Naveen, you are there also. How? Okay, right. Is that clear everyone now? Naveen? And others also clear or not? Clear now everyone? Now, so I'll go for the last question. Shall I go for the last question? This is 13th question I'll go for. Okay. There may be possibility because elections are going to come, na? Yes or no? Elections are going to come or not? So when elections are going to come, there is a possibility, obviously. Okay. This question. Okay. Shall I go for this question? Right. Now based on these conditions given, na? Yes, obviously it is beneficial for this SSC JE and state exams also. For which exam you are asking, Pardu? For state exams and SSC JE exams, it is useful. State PSCs and SSC JE exams, it is useful. and to some extent ESC also it is useful. Okay. Question is hidden under the notification above. One sec. Now it is okay. Chodupalli Astos answered correctly. Don't write the answer when poll is going on, because others they will directly select the answer. After poll is over, you can write, no problem. You can send the solution also, no issue. But during the poll is going on, don't write the answer. Okay. After poll is over, you can send anything. There is no issue. It's okay, no problem. But next time, I'm just saying. Yeah. Right. Shudupalli has Shruti answered correctly. Right. This is a leaderboard. Last question. Shruti first, Chodupalli second, and Kavya third, right? Actually, I'm not supposed to share anything here. Unacademy will not allow. Okay. Right. If other students can share my number, that is okay. If radius of this horizontal curve is 80 meters, what is the radius of horizontal curve, you can say? I'm not allowed to share. The design speed is 40 kmph, right? What is the capital V, you can say? 40 kmph. No? Then the design coefficient of this lateral friction is 0.15, right? What is the friction F given? Design coefficient of lateral friction is 0.15. Then rate of super elevation. Then you are asked to identify the super elevation only, no? Rate of super elevation. If a full lateral friction means rate of super elevation of a full lateral friction means considering the friction or not considering the friction, tell me. Considering the friction or not considering the friction, tell me. Considering the friction, E plus F equal to what is it, you can say? Small capital V square by which one? This 127 R, right? Or what is it, you can say? Small V square by this GR, right? Yes, na? You want your name to be added in the leaderboard? Okay, very good. So E plus what is the F given? 0.15 na? Equal to what is the capital V, you can say 40 na? That is 40 square divided by which one? This 127 into, or what is the radius given? 80 meters given. So then tell me, right, what is the E value you are getting finally? Friction mobilized means full friction. Yes, absolutely. Friction mobilized means amount of friction present, right? How much it comes to be now? That's it. You need not check it with the maximum, E maximum. You need not check it with E maximum, right? Just directly whatever is obtained. Super elevation will be, super elevation is, super elevation needed, super elevation required means this is the value. No need to check it with E maximum or whatever it is. How much it comes to be? How much it is a value? Tell me, all of you. 0. It is not 72%. Just check it. 0.000. How much? No, not 72%. How much you are getting? Tell me. Exact value. Tell me. You tell me, all of you. Exact value. You tell me. 40 square divided by 127 into 80. Okay. Minus what is it? 0.15. So what is the value you are getting? 0.00748 na? 0.00748 means how much it will be? 0.748 percentage, right? 0.748 percentage, right? You have to be careful, right? You have to be careful, right? These are the percentage values, right? These options are which one? These are percentage values, right? But what is the nearby value? 0.72. 0.72 is only the nearby value, na? Like that. Okay, Right. So I'll be closing the session. Tomorrow also at the same time we'll be having its continuation, right? Okay. Shall I close the session? Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Anyone having any doubts? I did not see. I did not see the score. Okay, that leaderboard came na. I don't know. I did not see. Okay, right. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you. Good night, sweet dreams. Take care. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll take again same time.